Okay guys, we're going to do a little bit different problem. It should be your second problem you're doing for break. Hopefully you've been working a little bit on your multiplication. Alright, and we're going to start. I want you to go do your UPS and come back and then replay the video. Okay, the story problem is Michelle bakes 12 cookies. Her friend Jody bakes 3 times more cookies than Michelle. If Jody shares her cookies with 4 friends, how many cookies does each of her friends receive? Okay, so you have your story problem. Read it again, play it again if you need to reread it, or you can look at it on the screen and then come back and we're going to go through UPS. Okay, hopefully you have done your UPS. Your U should be, look at the question, how many cookies does each friend receive? Each friend receives blank cookies. Alright, now our plan, we need to write down what we need. We know that she bakes 12 cookies. Michelle bakes 12 cookies. Okay, her friend Jody bakes 3 times as many cookies as Michelle. Times the cookies Michelle bakes. And then Jody shares her cookies with 4 friends. Jody shares her cookies with 4 friends. It doesn't say 4 friends including herself, it says 4 friends. Okay? So now we're to the solve part. Michelle bakes 12 cookies. Jody bakes 3 times as many. Do we know the total? Or are we looking for the total of the number that Jody bakes? Hopefully said you're looking for the total. So you have to decide, is it addition or multiplication? Are we talking about equal groups? Or are we just talking about putting 12 cookies and 3 times as many cookies together? Hopefully you're realizing that that's 3 groups of 12. So it should be 12 times 3. If you don't know 12 times 3, we'll write this into 10 and 2. Take your 10 times your 3 and your 2 times your 3. This is 30 and this is 6. Put them together, you got 36. So we know that Jody baked 36 cookies. Okay? So, are we done? No, we're not. So it is a 2-step problem. Okay? So we know Jody has 36 cookies. She shares with 4 friends. Okay? So, do we know the total? Because we have 36. Are we separating it equal or are we separating it? Just separating it in half. Hopefully you said equally because there's 4 groups. Okay. We have to decide how much we want to give. I start with 2s, 10s, and 5s. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, too big. I'm going to go to 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. Started with 36. I just gave away 20. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, I can give 2 to each group. 2, 4, 6, 8. I can take away 8. That leaves me 8. And another 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Each of her friends have 8 cookies. It's supposed to be an 8. Okay. You make sure you subtract as you give it away so you know how much you got left, and then count them up. 5, 6, 7, that's 9 cookies. This mother can't multiply today. 9 cookies. Sorry about that, guys. There you go. Hopefully this has helped you guys. Slow it down. If you need need to, pause it if you need to, and then solve your problem. Have a good break.